Kawadhinyime karado kuni Sikund sekondar ma St. Charles Lwanga Boy mantiere kar ching'od bura ma Mount Elgon, county ma Bungoma sendiko jopuonjre ma klas 12 kata form 4 ne penj maduong'. Yangore ni gionge gige somo madwarore. Gigo maonge oting'o kuonde timo nonro mag lab, apise mag jopuonje, klese, kama moko kuom jopuonjre somo mana e chieng' mager. Sani kore kwayo joma desir chendo mag somo e skundno mondo mi ochwal kony. Kaluwore gi japuonj maduong' mar skundno Shaban Wycliffe nok gige somo medo mana lwaro kenge mag somo e skundno. Skundno nigi jopuonjre 205, 250 gi klese 2 kende.
The students and the teaching staff, that some of these students have not seen, apart from studying about Bunsen burner or some of those lab equipments, they have not seen them, and some of them are even candidates here. They need classrooms, they need an office for the teachers, they need other facilities, a dining hall. All these are needed in this school. We are not able to do all of them as an organization, but what we can do is to urge our members, to urge those who are able to get this message that this school is in need of them.
Leo Elgon Young Professional walifika hapa, wameweza kuwapa motisha kuhusiana na elimu, na pia ameweza kuwatoa mawaidha mengi sana kuhusiana na mambo ya uhusiano ya msichana na mwanaume shuleni ambaye istahili kufanyika, na wangojea wakati wao ambao unafaa. Wanafunzi hao wanasomea kanisa, alafu wengine wanasomea kwa tent, na wengine wa optionals wanasomea nje.
Tumepewa nini, kalamu, marula, na sisi wasichana na tumepewa na sodo. Hasa hatutakuwa tunaaibika.
Wakuje hapa shuleni wasikose, mahana wangekuja siku ya leo pia wangepata ambazo sisi tumepata.